Hey everyone, here I have a really nice 2017 Toyota Sienna. This is an XLE model with only 37,000 miles on it. You'll notice that the exterior is in pristine shape. It's pretty much brand new. Coming around to the back, you will notice you do have a power lift gate as well as a backup camera and parking sensors. Third row does fold down if you need more room. Plenty of space back here. Power lift gate. Now right here you will notice you do have your second row captain's chairs. The middle seat actually does come out. It's in the trunk right now. Third row has plenty of space. So this is an 8-passenger vehicle. You do also have your widescreen DVD as well as your climate control up here. Up front, of course, you have your keyless entry as well as push button start. Wood accents with your power door locks, windows and mirrors. Power seat. Leather's in practically new shape. Parking sensors, blind spot monitor, all that stuff. You have a multi-function display up here that can show you all types of information. You also have your Bluetooth controls. You also have a rear mirror to see what's going on in the back seat, as well as your compass and auto dimming mirror. You even get your navigation, auxiliary, and USB down here. Tri-zone climate control, heated seats. This thing's practically loaded. It's got everything you could want. Come check it out at Shockley Honda. It's definitely going to last you a long time. 301-694-5400.